Hi guys, this is Gokul Raj, and now we are going to see how an code developer uses an algorithm to reduce his time complexity in coding. So, algorithm plays an important role in reducing the time complexity um, for the runtime of the program. um, there are two complexities that are time complexities and space complexities. But in online running programs, mostly we consider about time complexity. So the basic thing which causes more time complexity is the user's algorithm. When a user uses a basic lenient algorithm, which all can use, it consumes more number of time than the normal one. If a coder uses an advanced algorithm to develop his code and what to say, he builds his code very efficiently only for the conditions given, and it reduces a maximum number of time, and this program runs the fast as most. So in this, now we are going to see a program called factorial, that is GCD of two numbers. The first program is in line 8, that is a GCD of a given number. GCD of two numbers, common algorithm. This is a common algorithm. So we get the first input and the second number from the user. I is equal to 1, while for 1, 2. A basic concept of GCD is it should find the least integer that is dividing both the numbers. That is, if number 1 and number 2, we have to find the least number that divides both the numbers. Such as if we take number 1 is 56 and number 2 as 6, we have to find the least integer that divides both the number. So we can say that the least integer, that is 2, is dividing both 56 and 6. So if we that is this is a for while loop that runs from I is from 1 to the number 56, and I should be less than uh, number 2 less than or equal to number 2. If it has to check the condition that if number 1 is also dividing by I, that is the generating number from 0 to that number, and it has to divide the second number also. If so, we have n number of GCDs from if 1 is also dividing by 5 to 6, 2 is also dividing by 5 to 6. So we have to not we should not consider 1 integers other than 1. So 1 has if 1 is dividing by all the numbers, means that's a co-prime. It should be dividing by an even or odd number other than prime numbers. So GCD is from 1, that is it consists from 2, it checks for 2 and then 3 and then 4, like that. So and it returns that GCD is 2. These algorithms take a time complexity of this runs for a big O of 1, big O of 1, and this runs for a big O of n. If against it runs for big O of n. So the time complexity of this program, is considered as big O of n square. That's it. If we run the program, you can see that. Okay, I will just refresh this. Cluster. Wait, kernel started. Please wait, connected ready. And now we first enter the number 56 and second number 6. So GCD of these two numbers is 2. So this is a common algorithm that is used by all the users across the world, but the time complexity is big O of n square, that is much larger than the optimized one. Now we go for an optimized one. We see here these are two similar algorithms that have a time complexity of n. Time complexity of n. So we can see that this is a number getting from first number big of this is an optimized code. You can see this I will just write in above. Optimized one code. So if you see here, it is getting a number 1 and number 2, while number 2 not equal to 0. I will say why we are comparing number 2. It has a little bit logic in that. So we take, I will just show you the logic. Yes, you can see here. Now first number is from 56 and second number is 6. If we consider the second number not equal to 0, I will say why we have to consider only the second number. Now, if we say, we have a logic that if 56 is dividing by 6, mean it leaves a remainder. It leaves a remainder of 2. Then 2 should be a factor of 56 and 6. So this is a hidden concept that is being hiding for a GCD, the optimized code. If this is a concept, number 2, that is number 2 should be mod of number 1 and number 2. This number 2 mean the new number 1. Number 2 should be mod of 56 and 6, and we are modding it, and the remainder is 2 and storing it in this new second number, and we have just changing that b is equal to a. We can see here the number 1 is equal to temp. We can say that 56 that is equal to 6. We are just changing that. If 2 is factor of 6 and 56, so we can eliminate that 56, and we can say that 56 is also a factor, 2 is also a factor of 6. So we just swap cross the 6 here, and now we are doing it again. 2 that is new value should be mod of 6 and 2, and now the remainder is 0, and we again cross that b value to a, that is 2 here, and we check the condition now, that is b not equal to 0, and if we have b 0, please stop there and return the a value. Answer is return the a value. We have a as 2, so we return a. Now we can see that the program runs only for 3 times, that is for one first loop, second loop, and then third loop. You got a value of 2, but you can see here that in a normal program, GCD of two numbers in a common algorithm, the while loop runs from 2 to the number 56. So the while loop runs for 54 times and finds every number that is dividing by both the numbers, and the time complexity is greater than this time. So we can see here this while loop runs only for 3 times, that is 56 mod 6, that is a mod b times. This while loop runs for a mod b times, and this while loop runs for n times, that is the number greatest number times, 56 times, 54 times, sorry, 54 times. that is number minus 2 times, 0 and 1 not considered. So it has to run from 2 to that number. So 50 number minus 2 times. So this is an optimized code we have seen here. I'll just run the code. This kernel is not supported. Restart. 1 second. Yeah, it has run. It is asking for first number 56 and second number is 6. You can say that GCD is also 2. So the working of two programs is quite much simple, but the loop running time is less. So the normal code runs for 54 times. The while loop runs for 54 times, and the optimized code, the while loop runs only for 3 times. That is A mod B times. So the time complexity, we can say that big O of A mod. Time complexity for this program this program is big O of A mod B times. That is big O of A mod B, which is very small when compared to the common algorithm. So if you like this video, please share this, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Do not forget to ask any questions regarding this. Thank you.